Every time we try to get in early, it's the same issue. I can't believe the keycard is acting up again.
Unfortunately, these things happen.
I'm tired of these mishaps. Why can't they just let us in without a fuss?
They're trying to safeguard the system and the company. Allowing access without going through security could lead to serious risks.
I recall instances where someone let us tailgate in. If that's fine, then why even have keycards?
Actually, tailgating is when someone unauthorized slips in after an authorized person. In this case, they chose to let you in because they knew you worked here. That's piggybacking. Do you remember Jim? He was an excellent accountant who lost his job due to a single mistake. One time he encountered a woman at a security door needing an employee card to enter. She claimed to have forgotten her key card, and Jim, understanding the hassle of getting a temporary ID, let her in. Turns out she was from a rival company and ended up stealing confidential information from an unattended employee laptop.
That's truly unfortunate.
Intruders often exploit someone's common courtesy to breach secure buildings.
I think the only way to prevent unauthorized access to confidential data is to lock down devices and materials, even if it's just for a brief moment. Leaving active devices unattended with confidential information is risky.
Yes, but there's more to it. We covered this at the security seminar. We must shred papers and crucial documents before tossing them in the bin, or they might land in the wrong hands.
I remember that. People go through trash looking for a gold mine.
Indeed, and that's not all. If you input your password on a keypad or use a pen in public, someone could easily peek over your shoulder and get your password. It's called shoulder surfing.
I can't exactly stop people from looking in public spaces. I can't make them invisible. Does this mean I can't use password protected codes? That would be crazy.
No, it's all about being aware. Keep an eye on people around you, especially if they're snooping. Also, watch out for security cameras.
That might work, but it seems like a lot of effort.
True, but remember, an intruder only needs luck once they're in. Then we're in real trouble. Do you know what? There's a session on physical security today. I think we should attend.
Absolutely, especially after Jim's incident. I'll meet you at the seminar then.
Sure thing.